we can code even faster and thereby increasing productivity and save time. Hi everyone! One of the questions we often receive from our clients is about the coding speed of our 10Q robots. The coding speed is the amount of square meters we can code with our robots in 1 hour. And this speed is determined by two main factors. One of them is the crawler velocity, of course, because the faster you can drive, the faster you can code. But another factor that is of huge influence is the length of the lane. Because we do vertical lanes on a tank, we also need to switch lanes. And for longer lanes, you have to do less switches than if you do a lot of short lanes. And if we look at this graph, that shows us the coding speed over the lane length. So on the x-axis you see the lane length in meters, which is determined by the tank height. And on the y-axis you see coding speed, which is square meters per hour. And we can see that for long lanes up to 16 meter in tank height, we can code up to 250 square meters per hour. So if you compare the performance of our robot to manual rolling, we can go up to 6 times faster. That for bigger tank heights, we can code even faster and thereby increasing productivity and save time.